Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Ahapa have two pieces of red snapper cutlet here. I'm going to deep fry plus pan fry. Actually in Chinese cooking, there's one thing called half deep fry, half pan fry. You'll see what I mean later. Now I'm going to fry it, and then after that I'm going to just make some sauce and pour over it. Yeah, so something simple. Today Appa is really busy. Basically, when we say 半煎炸, half deep fry, half pan fry, meaning the oil you put will be more than pan fry but lesser than deep fry. That's what we meant. Yeah, it's a very common thing to do, especially when you're cooking at home. When you are at the restaurant, they will use deep fry. Yeah, deep fry, especially for fish. Deep fry is the easiest. So actually this one is a bit more than what I really require. Anyway, I'm using a reused oil, which is just now, I think a while ago, my mother-in-law was using this oil to fry some chicken for my daughter. So I'm using it one more time because it's still very clear, definitely can be used. So the moment you start seeing some smoke coming out from the oil, it's good enough. So we are going to fry the first side for about 2 minutes before we turn to the other side. Frying fish is very simple. You get a non-stick wok, heat up the oil to smoking point, put in the fish, fry one side for 2 minutes, fry the other side for another 2 minutes. Then you see whether it's enough or not. If not enough, you give it another 1 more minute for each side, then it's done. That's how simple it is to fry fish at home. So this is after the first 2 minutes. Still quite soft. Give it 1 more minute. One thing I must confess is that a reused oil, normally the efficacy of the oil itself will reduce. Meaning you will have a lesser efficiency. So I give this side another about 2 minutes, yeah, 2 to 3 lah. Since the efficacy of this oil is not as good already. So this is after another about 2 minutes. Let's see. Snapper is definitely softer compared to I prefer longer on this side. Give it another 1-2 minutes. This is really slower than I thought. Partly maybe it's because I put 2 pieces of fish inside. Normally there's only 1, so they absorb more heat. Yeah, almost done. This is like coming to 7 minutes. Right, coming to 8 minutes. Good enough. Even though I tend to over fry my fish all the time actually. Personal preference, yeah. But still, this is still very tender. I can feel it. Okay, I'll put this fish onto the oil absorbing paper at the side. This is a huge snapper. Can you see? Super fragrant. Now the fish is resting on my kitchen towel, right? So I'm going to make a very simple sauce. Well, let me make you a very simple sauce. Get ready the pan here. Where is my oil? Give it a little bit of oil. I have some fresh coriander roots. Yeah, fresh coriander roots, some ginger, and some minced salted black bean. You want to put in some garlic also. Today Appa lazy to cut garlic, so I'm going to put in some fried garlic here. fried garlic. This will be super aromatic. The combination of this. Fresh coriander roots, garlic, ginger, and salted black bean. You will love this flavor, trust me. Alright, now that you can you saute this a bit, you already can smell it very nice. Next thing, I'm going to give it some filtered water. A bit of light soy sauce. A little bit of fine salt. I'm putting some of my Cooking Apa mushroom powder, my new product, not launched yet. Vegetarian mushroom powder. Anyone interested? Let me know in the comment section below. I would like to give it some darker color, so dark soy sauce. Okay. Done. That's how simple it is for you to make a very super yummy sauce. Get off the fire right now. Then all you need to do is to pour this over your fried fish. Any fish that you have. Oh, I have two more things actually. Almost forgot. But this one you don't need to saute actually. I have some red and also green chili. This is more like for the sake of colors lah, and a bit of the aroma coming from the chili itself. Okay. So here's my fish on the serving plate. And let's drench it with the sauce. All right. Simple but super yummy. Let me find some fresh coriander. Some fresh coriander here and here. All right, done. That's how simple it is to make us fried fish. Yeah, with super yummy sauce. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.